Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. A function of fx is defined by the situation. Here we have the fx is equals to x squared plus with 2x minus 1. By using the algebraic method, is the fx a one-to-one function? So before we begin the situation, we have to make sure the quadratic equation is in standard form, meaning that we have to completing the square. So fx is equals to x squared plus with the 2x minus 1. So before we start completing the square, make sure the coefficient for x squared is positive 1. So here we have the positive 1. Let's begin. So fx is equals to x squared plus with the 2x plus bracket square minus bracket square minus 1. So here we have the process of completing the square. Positive 2x, so we have 2 over 2 means that we have 1. So kindly simplify this part. So fx is equals to x plus with the 1 bracket square minus 2. So that is the standard form. Continue. Fx sub 1 is equals to fx sub 2. So kindly substitute x sub 1 plus with the 1 bracket square minus 2 equals to bracket x sub 2 plus with the 1 bracket square minus 2. Kindly rearrange and simplify. So x sub 1 plus with the 1 bracket square is equals to x squared plus with the 1 bracket square. We have to square root both sides. So x sub 1 plus with the 1 equals to square root of plus minus bracket x sub 2 plus with the 1 bracket square. X sub 1 is equals to plus minus square root bracket x sub 2 plus with the 1 bracket square minus 1. So as we can see, x sub 1 is not equals to x sub 2. So we can say fx is not one-to-one function. Reason? Because x sub 1 is not equals to x sub 2. B. State the domain in which fx is one-to-one function. In order to get the one-to-one function, we need to refer to the standard form. By referring to the maximum or minimum or the symmetrical axis, so here we have the function fx is equals to x plus 1 bracket square minus with the 2. So for this case, we have the minimum point, which is -1, -2. The symmetrical axis would be refers to the value of x is equals to -1. So for this situation, we have to refer to the symmetrical axis. Either we choose the left of the symmetrical axis or the right of the symmetrical axis. So for this case, the domain would be -∞ until -1, or the domain from the -1 until infinity. So both of these are answer, but we only have to choose one of them. So for this case, state the domain in which fx is one-to-one. So I would prefer to choose the right hand side, which is -1 until infinity, in order to make it become one-to-one function.
If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.